What is up, guys? So we are starting to do all the older videos again. So we are starting off, as we promised, shouting through an induction kit. So we are doing the older videos that I did on my own when I first started this channel. So it was very hard for me to hold the camera. It was very hard for me to actually record the shots. But we're going to actually change this in real time. We're not actually going to put any snippets in this. No, don't you hit me. We're going to show you exactly what it's like. We're going to give you some information, the tools and everything you need. So Jack, what's the tools that they need?
Come with me.
Come hither.
Right, okay. This?
Right, let's just explain what this is first.
This?
No.
That is a piece of plastic.
No. What we're going to be changing. So an induction kit on the Corsa VXR is classed as this pipe right here,
which is
goes to the turbo. We're going to change it for this red one, and then obviously you've got the airbox, which is here with the filter in, and then you've got the MAF sensor, which is here. So this is the section that we're going to be changing. Yes. We're going to be changing it for the red pipe with a cone filter. They make these sound very, very good. I can't show you how good they sound because this car is broke.
I can hear the ocean.
What?
Yeah, just try it, look.
Ah, God damn it!
Carry on.
So, with this here, obviously you've got the MAF sensor, so you're going to need a flat blade to put down this section here, just to pull this off.
Sometimes you don't though, because
sometimes you can just pull it like that and it just pops straight up. Usually these are 7mm from factory, sometimes they're 8, depends, doesn't it?
Yes.
Then you've got the T25 pieces, which are sat down here. So if you go through there and see those, you've got 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's been a while. So Jack's going to jump on and start this very, very quickly, and I'm going to explain exactly what he's doing. So, real time, go. So straight away, he's got the ratchet with a 7mm spanner on. So he's unplugged the MAF sensor right there. So as you can see there, it literally just pushes up and down. So that pushes up, and then it pulls it straight out. This is the piece he's taking off right here from the hose. Don't bother taking this one off, there's no point, because you'll just take it all off together once it's off. He's taking the one off down here, which sits on top of the turbo. Just there. This is very straightforward. This is one of the first mods that people do on the Corsa VXR. So obviously once you've undone them, it literally just pulls out of here and then comes off of the pipe at the bottom. Again, very, very easy, very, very straightforward. So that pipe has now been removed. Inside there is the filter itself. So the next step now is to take this off. What?
Take this off.
Yes, but you can take that off at any point.
It's already in your hand, you might as well do it.
Yeah, okay. So take this off, because Jack just likes to be picky.
Yeah, but
what?
But.
Plump. We don't need that one. So, right here, we don't, to be honest, you don't really have to actually undo this, do you?
No, you don't, it depends. So,
because you can actually just pull this straight out, can't you? There's usually a pipe that sits right, let me see if I can get you guys focused.
A lot of people leave it in the bottom half in because of...
Yeah, so this pipe right here, that can be removed. It's just like an overflow pipe, isn't it?
It's a drain for if water gets in there.
Yeah, it didn't work with mine though. But a lot of people just pull this box out and take the box out and leave it all out, and there's nothing to hold it. However, like Jack just pointed out, it is best to leave the bottom half of this box in, so you can sit the cone inside the filter, inside the old filter box, so it supports it. Otherwise, it just flops all around the engine. So Jack's going to get a T25 now on the socket, modelling it there like QVC. So he's going to undo all these right now.
I ain't going to do anything because it's not a T25.
What is it?
I got a wrong socket.
Oh.
Someone's put it in the wrong hole.
Jack!
You put it in the wrong slot.
You should never put it in the wrong hole.
Well, the 20's in the 27, the 27's in the 25.
And the 25's in the 26.
No, the 20's in the 25's in the 20.
What?
No, do 26.
27's like a 26 and the 24's like a 23.
Now we've got the right size.
So T25 to undo these. So again, the only tools you need for this is possibly a flat blade for that mass sensor, a 7 or 8mm socket, or spanner will work as well, and a T25 piece for this. This is the only tools that you need for this application to change this induction kit. Very, very easy, very straightforward. Again, I didn't really show all this in my last videos, so that's why I want to do it in real time so you guys can see just exactly how quick it actually is. Bear in mind, we are showing you this process as well, so again, very quick. So that's the inside of the top of the box, right there. This is the filter, this is a panel filter.
Are you ready for this?
What?
Oh no, it's clean. It's not that bad.
So quickly, before we go any further, you don't have to have a cone filter. So if you wanted a panel filter, this is what you would be replacing. You'd put the panel filter right here, you'd put the box back on top, and you could put the red pipe in instead. The red pipe will connect to the mass sensor, and then the mass sensor will connect to up here. So you can use that and still keep the box while changing this pipe. You don't have to have a cone filter, but a lot of people have that because of the noises it makes. It makes a lot of whooshing noises, so people enjoy that. So with this box here, this is what we was talking about. You can see that pipe just there. That is literally through that. Let me see if I can just get a torch for you guys. Let's back it up. So I'm still zoomed in. So right there, you can see there's a hole which then feeds to that pipe just there. That just literally pulls off at the bottom if you want to take this out. If you don't, then you do want to use a cone filter. Keep this in because this will allow a direct cold air feed from under the wheel arch, and also it will just support the actual cone itself. So for this purpose, we are going to put on this ram air filter which we've had just lying around. You will need a 70mm What are you doing? Why do you look so disgusted? I'm taking your nuggets off you.
No.
Yeah.
I had a moment.
So 70mm, this needs to be 70mm diameter. Just make sure you get that. So that will fit over the mass sensor very, very, very nicely. So we're going to reassemble this all back together.
Wait, no, we're not yet.
You've lost your tool, haven't you?
No.
You have?
No, I haven't.
You have?
I haven't lost the tool. I've lost the Jubilee clip.
You've lost who?
Julie!
Julie. Right, so Jubilee clip back, click.
That voice as well.
So did I. Oops. So Jubilee clip back over the bottom of the hose. We love a good hose. Bear in mind as well, these actually come in all different colours. So you don't have to have red. Whatever theme you want to go for, these all come in blue, green, orange, and all that fun stuff, even white, depending exactly what you want, what theme you're going for. So Jack is now pushed that back over the turbo.
Not quite, I haven't loosened it off enough. Thicker pipe, you see.
Okay. So now he's pushed it over the turbo. Jack, you're pushing the car backwards.
Right.
And we're back. Customer, legend. So, right.
I got the pipe.
He's got the pipe. Let's pick this back up.
I've got the clip.
He's got the clip. Okay.
Clip.
Oh. Right, so put that over the turbo. What is wrong with me? It's because I have food. Fat man has food.
That Jubilee clip's the wrong size, but we're going to sort it out in a bit. This is just a show.
Okay, so just put that over and then you tighten that up.
I'm going to tighten it.
What is this? Is this some sort of comedy show?
Yeah, it is now. Oh wait, it's tight.
Oh, I just hit you with my muff.
It's gone tight.
Yeah, look, you've tightened that up.
Yeah, hey look.
See?
Done.
Right, tightened up. So that's in the right location for where it needs to be. Again, obviously the Jubilee clip is the wrong size. So make sure you use the right one. You can use the same one that comes off of your standard, but for some reason this one just don't want to work. I think it's broke. So Jack's got the mass sensor, which is going to go on now.
I think we should probably point out that these only go on one way.
Yeah, they do actually.
They've got an arrow of airflow.
So you can see right there, arrow. That means the airflow has to go into the turbo. So if that's this way,
you fitted it wrong.
You're gonna get problems. So make sure you do put it round the other way and make sure it is right. That is one way you can make sure that it is the right location and pointing in the right direction. So that's one way. No, it's not. So yeah, once you
I keep doing it. Left that one.
we haven't had food. We haven't had food. We're too busy forging cars. This car is coming for a forge. You'll probably see this in another video. Yeah, you'll see. It's not great. Like I said, we want this in real time, just so you can see how easy it actually is to do. Because snipping it and clipping it, there's no point because we're not really explaining what's happening. So mass sensor's been pushed back in, plugged back in. So you can see that that's the right way from the arrows on there. So that's now tightened up. Looking fresh already, which absolutely looks fantastic. So the comb filter now has to sit on the top of this. So put the Jubilee clip over the top of the filter once Jack's just slackened it off a little.
I thought you were going too far then. Whoa! Whoa!
Whoa, 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 whoa. So the comb filter, oh, that's so zoomed in, sits literally...
You dropped one?
Let's not talk about that.
You've taken the title recently, haven't you?
I know I have, I know.
Still not slack enough.
Right, so it's going to slacken it off
Rusty
even
nuts.
more.
Rusty nuts.
Yeah? We've got to do this before food comes. Tokyo Drift build. Make sure you're following it. If you haven't seen the Tokyo Drift replica build, go back on the videos, click on it, and watch it. She's getting wide-bodied.
Me? I already am.
Yeah, we both are. So, comb filter is on. You literally push that straight on. You want to just demonstrate to them quickly again how you did that?
You would, wouldn't you?
Yeah, it's just, I just like to be awkward. It's literally as straightforward as that. So, push it on, push it over, flump.
If they are tight, you can soak the rubbers in boiling water, and it makes them all loose, and you can force them over bigger things.
So there you go, pro tip from Jack. So once that's done, you tighten it up, and guess what? Guess what happens after that?
I've got to take it off again.
It's done, yeah, but that's it. That is pretty much it. So that is how you would change the induction kit on the Corsa VXRs. This is obviously something completely different. This is a boost pipe and all that sort of stuff. A lot of people usually change that when they get the intercooler because you do change it further down. So if you sit there and see that, see the black pipe right there, that is what goes to the intercooler, and then a lot of people change this top bit as well as the intercooler at the same time. We may do a video at some point in the future on replacing all these coolant hoses. What are you doing? Why? It looks like, wait, stay there. It looks like you stood on top of the filter. That is basically... Watch the look on disappointment on his face when it's not food. Just get ready. Get ready for it.
I didn't need to run.
What was it?
There's no food there, it's just a car. I feel like a disappointed child.
So yeah, as I was saying before Jack ran away and we all saw him on camera, induction kit complete. That is it. That is all you need to do. This box at the bottom, like I said, holds it in position. It keeps it sturdy rather than it moving. If you don't do this, it just flops everywhere. So that is it from us. Make sure you guys are smashing that like button. We are recreating all these old videos, like I said, so do not miss out on them. We will see you guys in the next one. So subscribe, like down below. Again, big improvement on the last one. Peace.
Bye.
What are you doing?